Hello, everybody. Yes, Melissa. Let me scoot on up here. How's everybody doing tonight? Oregon is once again a monsoon. So, well, at least the northwestern part. You know, God bless the people in southern Oregon. They actually get nice weather from time to time. Well, anyway, look what I have. I never film unboxings anymore because I have so many of them that would take up 90% of my life. So, I don't. But this was kind of special. At least I hope it's special. This is the first ever subscription box that I've ever received. Now, I used to do Cloth and Paper's pen subscription box, just the pens. And I found out you could, get those cheaper elsewhere. So it was kind of a waste of money. So I stopped that. But this is an actual planner stuff from 8lotus. Now, that is who I get my Franklin Covey Compact. Well, it's where I have gotten them past couple of years. I think this year, though, I'm going to go with Creative Tidbits if she's still on Etsy, because everything I've ever ordered from her, I absolutely adore. So, let's show you some clean sheets of 8lotus. So anyway, yeah, this is 8lotus. So this is, like I said, this is where I've been getting my monthly and weekly inserts for the past couple of years, because Franklin Covey's inserts themselves are just, no. They're too expensive and they're ugly. So that's just how I feel about it. I do tend to order just the monthlies just to have, in case, because I like to, you know me, I like to switch stuff up a lot. And I even have more stuff in here that I actually printed last night, monthlies, in case I like to have several on hand. And I have several on hand because it's fun. If you're one of those people that's like me and you absolutely love different kinds of inserts and trying different things, that's just what we do. But this is the subscription box. So I want to dig inside this baby and see what we actually have. I think this would be for March. The one thing 8lotus is not known for is their quick shipping. And keep that in mind before you ever order anything from them, because they don't ship quickly. I always order all of my inserts ahead of time, so I'm always, the wait list person. But, even when I order something that they have on hand that they can send straight out, like I'm waiting on some dividers right now, it's still not quick. It's still nothing like quick. So let's see. Now, I had 2 orders with this order, along with, there, Cheeto, along with the monthly or the subscription stuff. So I'm really not sure what this is going to look like. Okay, so this tells you what's in there. Floating Bubbles, Cleaning Habits, March Monthly, Monochrome Flow, Annual Cleaning, Weekly Cleaning, Task List, Movie Log, Accessory Pack, Daily Plan Notepad, Reminder Sticky Notes, and Uni Pen Fine Liner. That's exciting. And then they do give you your little monthly things. Thank you. There's your card for March. And Believe You Can, and you're halfway there. So, all right. I wonder if this is the Floating Bubbles. Just joking. I know it's not. Okay. Lots of Cheetos. So I don't know what the extra thing that I ordered is in here. Yes, it is. So I ordered some these weeklies. This is extra. And it's just the week on one page. So if, I'm thinking I will use these when I go on vacation. But again, it's something different. I get to switch it up. because it's different. And I don't know. I think that's all that comes with it, though. It's just the weeklies. I'm trying to see if there's an actual calendar in there, and I do not think there is, because I know they usually don't do that. So, no, there's not. The ones that I have right now, the reason I have those, because there was a design that I liked better. But the reason I have the ones I have now is that it's the only one that she offered, or they offered in a complete monthly, weekly packet. So, even though it's not the ones I would have picked if I had a preference, it was by far the least expensive one. So here is, oh, this is your cleaning habits. So, how do they know if it's my habits? Make your bed daily. No. Put items away after use. I do my best, but that one's not easy either. Wash dishes immediately. Definitely no. Definitely no. Vacuum or sweep often. I do that as much as I can. Take out the trash regularly. I'm working on my husband, but that hasn't happened to this day. Quick clean up before bed. No. Deep clean monthly. Yeah, no, not that either. And establish a cleaning routine. My thing with cleaning, and I know you guys have heard me whine about this for so long. I'm chronically ill. And chronically in horrific amounts of pain, extremely weak. I'm losing mobility all the time. I can only stand now for 5 to 10 minutes without starting to hurt a lot. And just simply like sweeping a small area causes tremendous pain in my body. And so I have several illnesses. I have fibromyalgia, spinal stenosis, degenerative disc disease, arthritis on my spine, in my hips, just too much. So I have had to learn to let go of a lot of things, because I was a clean freak even when my kids were small. I was a clean freak. I've had to learn to relax because my body can't handle what I think needs to be done. And I'm working on trying to find a solution to that, shall we say. The hubby's not much help in that area. So we just say will clean the kitchen for me once or twice a week, but that's about it. Everything else and take the trash out about once, maybe twice a week again. But everything else is Melissa's. So it's just one of those things. So I think it would be an awesome idea. Some of these planner communities maybe did a special request or made available things that you could personalize, where, cleaning habits for spoonies. Spoonies being people who have lots of, problems, chronic illness and things. Because that looks different than what a cleaning schedule looks like for most people. It looks very different. So anyway, there's that. That's lovely. And, oh, that's the bubble dashboard they're talking about. That is pretty. I dig bubbles. But you guys know I make my own dashboards. But I will still use it. And May, I like that. That's a vellum. That's nice. Oh, excuse me. No, wait a minute. No, March. Chapter 3, March. Okay. So, M-A-R. Okay, so I think that's supposed to be March. I'm just not foo-foo enough to figure these things out. Or bougie, as my daughter says. I'm not bougie. That's pretty. It's another dashboard. So basically, I think what they do is give you enough to, set up a month at a time to go. Now, these I'll be able to use a lot. There's probably 15 sheets in this. And it's task list. Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I was working on some new task lists of my own tonight. That will work nicely. I won't have to waste my paper. And here's your cleaning routine. Now, this one, obviously, we can personalize. So, I can write down the things that I am able to do. And, and there's a monthly chore list. Oh, I like that. So, you got a monthly chore list. On here, you've got annual chores, semi-annual chores, quarterly chores, monthly chores, and then your notes where you could, you know, I guess write in daily chores. So that's cool. And this is the movie log. Now, I watch all kinds of stuff, but it just needs to be a YouTube log. I do watch movies. I watch them a lot, but I don't feel a need to keep, you know, to track them. What I do and should track is the shows that I watch, because I will forget if I watched it on Hulu or Netflix or Prime, that kind of thing. That would be handy to keep track of so I know where the heck it is. I just finished out one today, that America Primeval on Netflix. Oh, gosh, that was good. I love good Westerns and stuff, and that one was really good. And then here is your cleaning. Wait a minute. Didn't I just have one of those? No, this is a cleaning routine. That's what this is. Huh. Okay. I mean, they're a little different, but they're basically the same thing. They're trying to tell me to get off my lazy butt and do something, and I'm like, no. Oh, they must have. Oh, dear, guys. I don't see the monthly. There was supposed to be the, oh, maybe it's just meant the calendar marker for all I know. Hold on. Yeah. So it says, there we go. The floating bubbles, the cleaning habits, March monthly. I don't know if that, I guess that was supposed to be, I guess, the vellum. I was thinking it was going to be an actual calendar. But I'm assuming that's this. And then cleaning weekly, task list, movie log, accessory pack. Daily plan, no. Oh, I didn't get the okie dokies. So you have to get the deluxe version to get the last 4 things. I was all excited. Accessory pack, daily plan, notepad. I would have loved that. Reminder sticky notes. Would have loved that. And then the uni pen fine liner. Would have loved that. As a matter of fact, would have loved those 4 things much better than what I got. I'm just going to have to check it out. Look up. Yeah, that's dashboards, and this is actual inserts. Yeah. Okay, well, just for the accessory pack alone is $45. I'm not sure this is worth $45. So I will have to decide if I'm going to be getting any more of these. The thing about it is, these days, inserts and things are so very expensive, and I understand companies have overheads and things like that, which is why I really like Etsy shops, you know, better, because you just get more for your money. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in this. $45. And it's probably, you know, if you bought these things individually, it would be more. But at the same time, if it's stuff that you're not going to use, and I knew this going in, I just wanted to get, you know, a little example of what they give out in their subscription boxes. So this gives you a little example. If you're good with that for $45, then that's cool. But I'm a little bit disappointed. I wanted a little bit more, but, you know, we always want more. Making sure there's nothing else in there. Nothing but Cheetos. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you one more thing before I let you go. And I got this the other day. Excuse me. Now, you know I have a regular Moterm personal planner in this color, and I also have the A5 in this color. This is the Moterm, and this is their new line. They call them Elite, but they're cheaper. And I'll show you why. Number one, they are smaller as far as width goes. I wish I had my other one in here to show you, but I do not. They are smaller as width goes, and they come with 25 millimeter rings instead of 30. And for the size of this, you really don't want to go to a 30 because stuff just won't fit correctly. You want to use it with the 25 millimeter rings. They're kind of comparative between, if you know the difference between Giglio's Campagna and Amica, that's the difference. So the version of the Campagna that Giglio has is like Moterm's regular, you know, Lutz planner. But this is comparable to the Amica, which is a trimmed down of the big one because, and I like it. Number one, there's no back pocket, which I like. I don't really use them that much. The inside configuration is very different. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets and one pocket there. And then you actually get ring, what do they call them? You guys know what they call them. Anyway, to keep your rings from indenting into your planner, you actually get those with it. You don't get a fly leaf. You get a small little secretarial pocket right there. And I don't think there was any, no, there's no pockets here, but you get this pocket here, and then you get one pin loop. But on the back, and I've got this in it to show you, you get another pocket for storage as you slide things down in there. And I put this from Cloth and Paper, the little to keep envelope, because it's just the perfect, you know, if you don't want to cover one or carry one that's got such a large profile, this is much better. This is easier to slip into your pockets, you know, all of that, whatever you want to do is great. So I was like, oh, I wanted one in the veg tan leather, but they were totally out. So they only had these left, but this color, my gosh, it's my favorite color there is. So that's fine with me. But yeah, that's something new. This was $51. So definitely more affordable than the rest of them. When they do get the veg tan ones back in, they're a little bit more money because they're a higher quality leather. So, but yeah, this is really nice. I think it's really cool. All right, guys, that's just what I wanted to do. I wanted to share that unboxing with you and, you know, give me some feedback. What do you think? Is it worth $45 or nay? Let me know. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.